Crowdfunding has revolutionized how product creators bring their ideas to life, offering a lower risk approach compared to traditional product launches. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo have opened doors for creators to engage with a vast pool of potential supporters. But what exactly fuels the mechanism behind a successful crowdfunding campaign? In this video, we will explore the framework of crowdfunding marketing campaigns, starting from ideation to launch, and crucial steps post-launch and during marketing campaigns. I will explain the 3 milestones in the process of crowdfunding and share with you several useful tips for each of the stages. But firstly, you might want to ask, what are the benefits of crowdfunding? Well, there are several major benefits for you if you are running a startup company and trying to launch your first product. Through a crowdfunding campaign, you can generate revenue without inventory and validate the demand for new products. Also, a successful campaign often helps you to establish an early user community, and you can also improve your product through feedback from your early users and supporters. Now, suppose you plan to run a crowdfunding campaign. Even if you have a great idea or product, the transition to a successful crowdfunding project still requires some groundwork. Having an innovative product idea is fantastic, but turning it into a successful crowdfunding campaign strategy demands effort. A successful crowdfunding campaign involves achieving pivotal milestones. Here's a breakdown of the first 3 milestones. The first milestone is product positioning. Outstanding product positioning forms the bedrock of a successful crowdfunding campaign. Starting from an unclear product positioning point might lead to a potential failure before the marketing campaign even kicks off. So, what defines a good product positioning? It involves effectively communicating the value of the product to the target audience. Now, this process can be summarized into 2 critical steps. Firstly, you need to identify the target audience, and then illustrate how the product solves their problems. For new products, devising effective product positioning is a dynamic process that requires flexibility and an open mind. The initial ideas should be seen as hypotheses and subject to market validation. The customer-based brand equity pyramid is a useful framework for developing product positioning, comprising 4 levels. Level 1, salience, and that is, who are you? Level 2, performance and imagery, meaning how do you do it? Level 3, judgments and feelings, that is, how good are you? Then level 4, resonance, as in what about us? For new products, the initial focus should lie in the lower tiers of the pyramid, establishing a solid foundation. It's crucial to emphasize that your initial product positioning is just a hypothesis. Validating product positioning is a process that needs testing. Stay open and prepared for challenges and changes to your current positioning. Armed with this information, you can proceed to construct the assets required for a pre-launch. Then we get to the second milestone, product imaging. Capturing product images is vital to bring your product to life and convince supporters to join your campaign. These images will be used throughout your ad series, from advertisements to campaign pages. There are 2 primary types of product images: realistic rendering and photography. First up, we have realistic rendering. These are not just images, they're meticulously crafted visual experiences generated by computers. Unlike traditional photography, rendering offers advantages such as speed and affordability. It provides precise control over your product's appearance, materials, lighting, and even the environment it's showcased in. While Kickstarter typically requires prototypes and doesn't permit rendering, these digital wonders become particularly useful when your physical prototype isn't ready. They empower you to kickstart your marketing efforts while perfecting the tangible product behind the scenes. Contrary to common misconceptions, realistic rendering can outshine traditional methods in marketing campaigns, leading to substantial revenue. To achieve this, consider hiring a skilled 3D rendering artist. Surprisingly, this expertise often comes at a cost of less than $1,000, a wise investment in the success of your campaign. Now let's shift our focus to the timeless art of photography, a cornerstone in any marketing strategy. 1. Studio photos. These detailed images showcase your product against a simple background, highlighting its features from various angles. For the best results, consider investing in a professional photographer who can bring out the essence of your product. 2. Location photos. Transport your audience to the environments where your product will shine. Show potential customers how your creation fits seamlessly into different scenarios, sparking their imagination and desire. 3. Action shots. Perfect for demonstrating features involving movement or interaction. Capture specific actions or elements, eliminating distractions to showcase your product's functionality. Whether in photo or video form, choose what best highlights your product's unique features. Hiring a professional photographer is a valuable investment, and you might be surprised to find affordable and skilled professionals within your network. As you venture into the realm of visual representation, remember that the journey doesn't end with obtaining product images. The next crucial step is implementing pre-launch marketing strategies, including building a pre-launch email list. So we come to the third milestone, pre-order channels. Establishing a high-quality pre-launch email list is crucial for crowdfunding success. Without setting up pre-order channels, it's nearly impossible to gauge the quality of the email list before the launch. We can break through this challenge by adding a simple step. If email subscribers make a $1 pre-order deposit, we'll offer a special discount. This approach holds two key advantages. Firstly, this enhances purchase intent. By making a purchase even a $1 deposit, customers shows a stronger intent compared to merely sharing an email address. Second, it improves ad optimization. Optimizing Facebook ads based on the $1 deposit can yield a higher return on ad spend. Then let's break down the key steps in setting up your pre-order channels to ensure a strong start at launch. The first thing is ads. Users click on your Facebook, Instagram ads and are directed to a sign-up page. Prompting them to provide an email ensures they receive launch notifications. Then, mid-order. Upon registration, express gratitude and offer users a chance to pre-order with a $1 deposit. This strategic move significantly enhances conversion rates. Next, checkout. Clicking the pre-order button leads users seamlessly to the checkout page, where they can complete the pre-order process effortlessly. The next one, thank you. After completing the pre-order, users land on a thank you page, often with an invitation to join an exclusive community. Finally, email automation. Customize an automated email sequence tailored to their VIP or non-VIP status. This ensures a personalized journey that resonates with each subscriber. An interesting stats that I want to share with you before the end of this video is that, based our experience in crowdfunding, VIPs, those who make the $1 deposit, show a purchasing likelihood 30 times higher. VIP benefits can include guaranteed discounts, exclusive add-ons, or early access. They also get the golden ticket, a membership in an exclusive community hosted on platforms like Facebook groups or Discord. As you embrace these strategies and milestones, congratulations. You're already halfway to becoming a crowdfunding expert. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and you can also subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more insights and guide. See you next time.